are all GREE, I'm guessing units, pre-charged for 31 feet of line set. Justin,
That
what
is
do you
not.
think?
Oh, go ahead.
Justin, what do you think, what do you think on
I'll,
that?
I'll take it.
Okay.
But so no, no, not all units are charged for 31 feet. You want to look at the data tag. It's going to tell you there, or if you can't find it there, it will be in the submittal. So you can go to greecomfort.com under the contractor drop down and find your unit. Or no, sorry, not contractor drop down.
Product.
Yeah, product. And then find your unit, and then you find your submittal, and then it'll tell you exactly how much it's pre-charged for and what to add for anything beyond the pre-charge length.
So, JD, you're correct, but I just want to elaborate a little more. That's on the mini splits. So, FLEXX and GMV products, you got to go either to the quick start guide or to the service manual or installation manual to get that kind of information. So,
Right.
mini splits, it is on the submittals. So,
Yeah,
for the FLEXX, the submittal does tell you what the pre-charge length is. However, but as Greg stated, when you're dealing with the FLEXX, we put out these really nice FLEXX quick start guides, which condense all the most relevant basic information on those units into one really quick, easy to read manual. And we kind of have tables in there that's already done the calculations for the links for you and all that. So we really want to let people know about that quick start guide because it's very easy to use compared to say the manuals that come directly from the factory. And all the relevant information is right there. So it makes your installation very quick and easy.
Yeah. So on the page that we're showing, if you go under FLEXX Ultra R32 documents, I believe you'll select the option all. At least that's what I always select. And there you go, right there. There's your quick start guide for the FXU product. And showing that it is a multiple page document, but yeah, we've done a lot of research and stuff on that to point out the differences that you may see, the most obvious, I guess, differences that you might want to look at. It goes over the product features, the dip switch settings, even the location of your, what was that?
Charge amounts,
charge amounts, goes over everything. It's definitely a guide that you can take a look at, and it gets to the point quicker than maybe reading line by line through an installation manual.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/GREE-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.